How to turn on enable others to comment on my posts on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on enable others to comment on my posts on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings. Here you will find privacy, click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, enable others to comment on my posts. Just you will find it like that. All you need to do is just click on it, one click, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.